everybody, and welcome to the Backyard Tradesman. Today I'm going to be unboxing the HIKVISION Wi-Fi video doorbell model DS-HD1. In my next video I'm going to show how to install this, but for this video I'm just going to show what's in the box. Oh, that's a tight wrapping on this box. All right, but there it is. All right, for the first time, opening this. Go away. All right. Let's see. Oh. One of those very fancy boxes. Opens like a gift. There we go. Ah. Whoa. There it is. Instructions. That's the unit itself. It's got a good weight to it. Small, real good size. There's there. Really good size for a doorbell camera. It's the hardware. The level, the module for the system itself, the wires. Check that out, guys. That's really good thinking from HIKVISION. Even the drill bit. Oh, since I'm showing you that, I gotta show you this. That goes for, I believe there is a there it is. Looking for it. It's right here. That's the Phillips head. That looks like a tiny Torx head. Anyways, they provide the handle for it, so again, very thoughtful, nicely engineered. There you go. It comes with different color faceplates you can change. So it can go with the gray and the black instead of the white and black. Or you can go with the all black. This is the backing plate. So there's a total of 3 of them. This one would mount flat on the surface. Even comes with a gasket that goes back here. You can use the gasket on any surface that you want, but it's recommended to use it on a surface that's not perfectly flat. There's 2 other brackets as well, and they're angled. You see it? So it depends, you know, if you want your camera to be tilted a little bit towards the entry, and looks like it's probably like a 45 degree that way, or there's another one, you can see it that way. So depending on which way you want the camera to be tilted, whether it's on the right pillar, left pillar of your doorway, and whether you want it, you know, angled this way or the other way, you'll use the two different brackets. So this bracket will give you a 45 degrees, you gotta flip it. This will give you a tilt up and down. That's why it's like that. So the camera tilts either upwards or downwards, depending how you mount it. That's it. So that's what's in the box. And tune in for my next video where I'll show you guys how to install this HIKVISION doorbell camera. I'm really excited for this camera here. I've always wanted one, so I finally got one, and I'll show you how to install it. Oh, there's my little daughter. Hi, Eliana. Hi. Hi. Bye-bye.